Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop video in Capcut. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Capcut application, here it is, and then you need to click on the new project in the middle of the screen, or you can open any project you want. For example, I will open this one project. After that you will see this interface, and all you need to do if you want to loop this video, you need to choose this video in the timeline, and then at the bottom of the screen you need to scroll to the left this list of options, and then find duplicate option, here it is. If you have the older one version of this application, this option may be called copy. So after clicking duplicate, you will see that the second one video appeared. So as you can see, I can start play this video, and then as you can see, this video started again. You can do it as many times as you want. For example, I will do this 3 times or maybe more, and then if you want to download this video, save this video to your gallery, you need to click on the export button at the top right, and then save this video to your gallery. So and that's all, and that's how to loop video in Capcut. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.